Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Munich at the world premiere of the new Renault Clio here at the IAA Mobility. So let's check out the details. Alright, so let's start here with the front. As you can see, completely new design. Just take a look at this grille and the new Renault badge, and then the daytime running LEDs, and here they turn into indicators. Also, look at the headlights. Definitely, they will make this car a proper eye catcher on the road. This is the Esprit Alpine trim. You see the lovely wheels as well with the dual tone. And let's go on the front once again. Very pronounced bonnet. This is something that I really love. And the car is spinning around as expected. A lot of people around us. World premiere of the new Renault Clio. Now you can see the nice side profile, the lines of the car, the hidden rear door handle, like we are used to seeing on the Clio models, and then the wheel arches finished in gloss black on this trim. Now this is where it gets interesting. Just look at those taillights. They're made out of two parts. So let's check it here. So as you can see, and then indicators. So as you can see here, and then the indicators in this section. Also, they go all the way here to the side of the car, giving it a more dynamic stance, in my opinion. So, I want to hear your thoughts. How do you like the exterior design? We have a lot of people around us, of course, and yeah, I hope that you can, get the sense of the design from here. The gloss black mirrors and the Esprit Alpine lettering. Let me show you the wheels from close. The dimension of the tires, 205/45 R18. And I want to show you the rear of the car once again. Very pronounced C-pillar, and now you see those door handles. So, Clio lettering, new Renault badge, and those interesting taillights. Now you can see also with the brake light, the brakes applied and the brake light, of course, on. And yeah, next up is to get in. I hope we will be able to do it in not too long. So we will wait for the car to come to us once again. And now with the wider angle, wider view, another look. And yeah, next up is the trunk. All right, so let's open it. Here is where you open it. There we go. Here is your trunk space, nice square shape. And beneath you have the tire repair kit. Also some convenient features, the hooks for your shopping bags on the sides. And this is how you close it. This is the E-Tech hybrid model. There will be details about the powertrains in the description, so you can see all the options. But yeah, here we have the E-Tech hybrid model. All right, it is our turn to enter the car. So without further ado, let's go. And I will close the door. There we go. Here is the new cabin. You have the digital cockpit in front of us and the main touchscreen with the new infotainment system. This is very good, very responsive, easy to use. And the AC controls are the manual ones. So you see here they are on switches. You can change the temperature and adjust the air blower in here. Hazard lights, and then the additional buttons in here. The air vents and the lovely ambient lights. Here in the middle, very interesting design for this central console. So you see here this pretty unique feature, and then you can probably use it like this. Okay, yes, so that's also possible. Nice pattern, by the way. Electronic parking brake, auto hold, and here the decent amount of storage room in the middle armrest. And speaking about storage room, here is your glove compartment. Now let's check out the infotainment system. By the way, here you have the buttons for the volume and for minimal screen, cleaning screen, and standby. So cleaning screen, double tap the screen to leave the cleaning mode. And yeah, All right, and here the infotainment system. As you can see here, we have the Google Maps. So huge thumb up from me. Look how nice and responsive this is. Then you have the sources here for the audio, then phone connection, apps, and the car settings. There are different driving modes. As you can see, the layout here changes, the ambient lights change. You also have the ambient lights in here, very cool detail. Sport mode, and then smart mode. You can also configure the modes. You can configure the engine and life on board. So if we go here, comfort, there we go, steering effort as well, vehicle dynamics, and life on board, ambient lighting. So tell me in the comments which color is your favorite. There's a lot to choose from, but yeah, you can also adjust the climate. So that's for the comfort mode, eco mode, and then yeah, the smart mode as well. Driving assistance, bunch of driver assist and safety systems, and very useful feature, 360 camera. So look at this when maneuvering on tight parking spots. This is always a nice thing to have. And yeah, also the other cameras. And by the way, you can change the driving modes here. Now you see they are changing: eco, sport, smart, comfort. And also, let me show you the views on the digital cockpit. So by pressing this button, you change between different views here in front of you, including the view with the map. There we go. Let me also show you here the lights. And that's pretty much it. Now let's check out the rear bench. And now we are sitting here at the rear bench. So here is your view. I've put on the flash so you can see better. 12-volt power supply, view at the front. And yeah, now let me show you the situation for my head. The situation for my head, just about right. I'm 1.87 meters. Let us now get out. Tell me in the comments, how do you like this door handle? And now we have a clear view of the car. Very, very cool design. Now let's talk about the powertrain options for this car, and we will start with this one, the IAA Hybrid. So this is the 1.8 liter hybrid model with 160 horsepower. You can also go for the turbocharged petrol unit, 115 horsepower, and the Eco-G, so the dual fuel LPG and petrol version. And now we can also see under the bonnet, so it is the 1.8 liter hybrid powertrain, and the combined system output is 160 horsepower. Alright guys, that was it, the world premiere of the new Renault Clio. Tell me in the comments how do you like the car, do subscribe for more, and see you on the next video. Bye bye from Munich.